Engineer DR-54. Little palm ratchet driver. I'm gonna give it a run. I think these come out pretty quick. Let's see. Like this. All right, here we go. I guess you could put something in there to switch the orientation. Huh, I don't know how. Oh, I know. You just go like this. There we go. Now, there it is. So we're going to be tightening, so we will want this to go this way so we can do righty tighty. All right, wish us luck. Here we go. Engineer DR-54. Got this hutch cabinet here. We are going to just be tacking it into the wall here into a stud. Into the back of this thing. And it's not going anywhere, but we do want to cinch down right here. So put that in there best I can. Just like that. There that is. Let's see. Maiden voyage. And gotta get it up in there first. Okay. Engineer DR-54. Not bad. I think if I had a little more leverage even, I could really get down on it, but it's pretty cool. Not bad. Try to find a link, put it in the description. And yeah, going right in the toolbox. Very cool. Engineer. Okay, right here. Yep. Okay, thank you.